Hey y'all, today we'll be installing this cute HD lace little curly black bob. So baby, stay tuned for the vibes.
Real hot girl shit. DA got that dope.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Policio. I am back with another video. So what it do? Y'all, I'm back with another video today. Today is actually going to be a hair tutorial. I have this butter lace HD lace unit. I think it's 8 inches in the color 1B. I think it's longer than 8 inches, but it's like a little flowy bob, ear to ear lace. I saw this on a mannequin in like the beauty supply, and I was like, oh girl, I gotta try it because it was really, really cute. I also have some Boho liquid gold that I will be trying out today. I have never used this. Y'all know I normally use Got2b glue, and then I use my Ebin lace bond glue. So today, girl, we just gonna see what this Boho liquid gold is about. Okay, I already got my wig cap on. My hair is just pretty much in a, let me get off my robe real quick. Okay, I got my hair just like in a little braid or whatever, and then I got my cap on. So we're gonna go ahead and install this wig. We don't really have to do anything to it because it is supposedly pre-plucked. Where did I read it? Where did I read it at? Where did I read it? I read it somewhere. It's supposed to be pre-plucked. I don't think it has baby hairs, but it's definitely supposed to be HD lace. So let me get it open. If I can get it open. So I'm gonna slide out the pack. Come on out, girl. Come on out. Come on out. We trying to hide it. Okay. She a little stuck. Yeah, I think this unit is really, really cute. This is how it looks on the girl. Yeah, I think that's gonna be cute. You know, just a simple little quick do. Let's see what this HD lace top. Okay. Okay. It's looking cute. That's how it looks straight out of the pack. I think that's super cute. This is how the part looks. It is like a middle part. Like I said, it's HD lace. It is a deep part. I like how far back it goes in the center. Yeah, it definitely looks like it is pre-plucked. Okay, but it's definitely, I don't know, we're gonna see. All right, so this unit does have 3 combs, y'all. It has 2 combs right here on the side, and then 1 right here at the bottom. And like I said, the HD lace is just like a part down the middle. Yeah. Okay, so first I'm gonna put her on. I like her already. Okay, so let's get her on. Let's get her popping. I'm gonna take some of my foundation and a brush and apply some foundation around my wig cap. And my cap. Then I'm also gonna take her off because I actually like the way she feels. She does fit real smooth. It does have the adjustable clips down at the bottom and the back too. Girl, my camera kept going dead, but I also added foundation to the inside of the wig on the part and also around the edges as well. So now I'm just taking my Boho liquid gold, which I really, really love, by the way, and I'm just applying it to the edges of my scalp where I'm going to lay the wig. So, girl, let me give you the 411 though on the Boho liquid gold, okay? It's not like your Got2b glue where it kind of gets tacky as you apply it to your head. It actually dries by the blow dryer. So you have to apply it. It is like it's kind of runny. It's more liquidy than a gel. So I wouldn't classify it as like a gel. It's just what it is, a bold hold, because it did hold. But like I said, it's liquidy. So you have to make sure that you are doing section by section. You don't want to do like, you can see me cutting my lace right now because I figured that out the hard way, girl. So I'm going to let you know up front. Do section by section. Don't try to do one full side at once because it's not going to work out right. But like I said, once you apply it, you will completely dry it with or seal it in with the blow dryer on a warm setting. Okay, y'all, so this is how the wig is looking right now. It is pretty secure with the bow hole. It is just like a few little furries around the edges that I didn't cut close enough with, that I do want to lay down. So for this, I'm going to use my Ebin Lace Bond Spray, only because I feel like it's much easier to use than like the Got2b, and I think it's just, I mean, I can just spray it and just lay it down. So I just think that'll be best. So I'm gonna spray a little bit. I'm into you, supposed to they're definitely laid, baby. Scalp, definitely giving scalp. At that HD lace is definitely giving scalp. So that is laid down. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my other side. Thankful for all of the blessings. I just wanna say that I'm grateful. Truly thankful for all of the blessings. I know you loved you from the start. I know you loved you from the start. Okay, you guys, so this is what she looks like. She's on, after I sprayed the Ebin Lace spray, I just had like my earpieces that wouldn't really stick, but definitely stuck up here. Definitely giving scalp, girl. Definitely, listen, definitely giving scalp. I can't even front. It's HD lace. I love it. It's my first time with HD lace, y'all, but definitely love the HD lace. I have some like the spray still around, so I will wipe a little bit off around my edges. And I really love the curl and the length of the wig. It definitely is giving me natural human hair. Definitely giving me human hair. I put a poll on Instagram. A poll on Instagram, seeing if y'all want me to do some baby hairs or not. Right now, nobody's answered. I just posted. One thing I might add once I decide if I'm gonna do baby hairs or not is I probably add some concealer down the middle when I do get ready to wear it. It's nighttime right now, so what I'm gonna do is actually just tie it down and I don't know, decide if I want to do baby hairs or not to it tomorrow. I really love it. It's giving me work boss girl vibes. I don't know, bossy girl vibes, office vibes, beachy vibes. I don't know, it's giving me all kind of vibes right now. Definitely feeling it, but once I add everything that I want to add to it, I'm gonna sleep on it and decide and see what y'all say if I should do baby hair, and then I'll be back and let y'all know. This is how it looks, girl. I really fell in love with this little synthetic wig, y'all. Like, it was a really easy install. I really liked working with the bow hole and also being able to give that scalp effect with my Ebin Lace bun. So that is the end of this video, you guys. I definitely hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. I will see y'all on the next video. I'm into you,